In the last lesson, we learned how to say I want to eat an apple. But what if you want to change it up and want to eat a banana instead? So today, we're going to learn how to say a banana, focusing on a in Chinese. 一条. Please repeat after me. 一条. 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 Now a little bit faster. 一条. 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 Let's review. Apple or apples. 苹果. 苹果. Banana or bananas. 香蕉. 香蕉. Grape or grapes. 葡萄. 葡萄. Orange or oranges. 橙子. 橙子. Strawberry or strawberries. 草莓. 草莓. Peach or peaches. 桃子. 桃子. Watermelon. 西瓜. 西瓜. A banana. 一条香蕉. 一条香蕉. I want to eat an apple. 我想吃一个苹果. 我想吃一个苹果. I want to eat a banana. 我想吃一条香蕉. 我想吃一条香蕉. Well done! 好样的. See you tomorrow. 明天见. I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.